I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a quick update on how the plants are growing in my Cedarcraft elevated self-watering planter. So things are going great. I've got my celery. You can see it's grown quite a lot here since I planted it. Spinach is coming along well too. There's a couple of celery plants that aren't doing as well, but generally these are looking great. And then the strawberries, I think, are the real winner because we've got strawberries. Lots of them actually growing. They're delicious. Super fresh, obviously, and I'm impressed by how many are coming up here. The nice thing with the cover that I've now got installed and working here also is I can zip this up, and we still get the sunlight in, but then the birds don't come in and eat my strawberries, which are, obviously tempting and delicious looking. I think I'll eat a strawberry though, so we just pop these off, pinch it off closer to the branch there, and then here it is. Should probably wash it technically. Delicious. So going along extremely well with the Cedarcraft elevated planter. If you found this helpful, you want to follow along, see how my plants continue to grow, please subscribe, comment, let me know what you think.